You probably always see these business owners on the internet who travel the world, live the best life, make a ton of money while enjoying time with their family or friends or whatever it is that they're into. And they basically seem to have it all. I mean, if that appeals to you, let me ask you this. What if I tell you you can get to the same point in 3 months or less? I'm going to show you the top 3 one-person business models in 2024 that will allow you to quit your 9 to 5, travel the world if you so desire, and become financially free. Here's the great part. You can start them today. First one is going to be web design. You can easily learn the basics of web design using WordPress or Shopify, and then you learn to create websites that are not only visually appealing, but are also SEO friendly and functional. Focus on making sites that are easy to navigate and user friendly. Incorporate SEO, search engine optimization, to help the site rank better and get more traffic. Ensure websites are optimized for mobile devices. And here's a fun fact. I guarantee that you'll find mistakes on your website, on your mobile phone, or on your tablet view. Make sites load faster so that viewers don't click off because they're beyond annoyed. You can make images smaller with an online image compressor, or if you're using WordPress, they have plugins built in for that. There's a lot of other little tricks you can do to speed up a website, like using Cloudflare or some other CDN. You can improve a site's security from cyber attacks to ensure that people's data are safe. Again, using Cloudflare or WordFence is another one. There's a lot of options you can use to protect people's sites. And this may sound like basic stuff, but to the people that don't know how to do it, this is invaluable. And then you use tools like Google Analytics to track site performance and how users behave and optimize according to the data. The good thing is you can stick Google Analytics into the Legiit Get More Stuff Done dashboard, along with Google Search Console and a bunch of other tools to track everything in one place. And you're going to want to stay updated on the latest web design trends and technologies so that you can establish yourself as number one in the industry and constantly be ahead of the curve. Then what you want to do is showcase your best work on social media so you can get clients. Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, good websites actually go viral pretty often. I have a friend who has a massive TikTok and Instagram following, and it's all based on showing people useful websites. You're gonna make valuable YouTube content, post on LinkedIn, and do some cold outreach. You can also use a site like Legiit to get customers through the door that way. But being able to design amazing sites is just the beginning. The second one-person business model that I'm about to show you can significantly boost your impact and value to clients. It's something almost nobody talks about, but in my experience, it works wonders and you can get crazy results. Oh, and by the way, stay tuned for the third one because it's literally a free money goldmine. But let's go over number 2, and that's video editing. Get good with tools like Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro. There are literally 10-hour-long video editing courses on YouTube. Just search for the style you like the most and learn it. You can use a site like Envato Elements to get your stock images and stock footage. Use something like Jitter or some cool animation, like for example, a search bar animation, and that should be enough to edit a really cool video like the one you're watching right now. Focus on making videos that resonate with viewers and pay attention to the finer details for editing. That's what makes the difference in the end. Put in that extra hour, it's going to be worth it. Use transitions to keep the content engaging and dynamic for viewers. And color grading can literally make your video a 12 out of 10. Color grading is so important, yet a lot of people overlook it. People have multiple senses for a reason. So don't try to only make visually appealing videos. Make videos that users like to listen to. Use good sound design. Master the art of pacing to maintain viewer interest throughout the video. Know when to make fast-paced videos and know when you have to slow down. Keep up with the trends so you don't get left behind. You're gonna hear that advice in any business model I recommend to you, because it's important to stay up to date. And then again, showcase your best work on social media to get clients. Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, or use Legiit to offer your services. And while video editing may allow you to tell captivating stories and make a lot of money, there's a third one-person business model that doesn't require you to do a lot of work consistently. Set up everything once and then it'll work for you, but you can keep charging your clients monthly. See, in 2024, the businesses that will win have really good processes and automation to improve their efficiency. And that's where you come in. So let me show you how. What I'm talking about is systems and automation. Analyze businesses to identify areas that need streamlining. Maybe hop on networking/research calls with them to find out what pain points that they have when it comes to their business. Automate that for exactly this market and niche. Become an expert in automation tools like Zapier, Asana, Make, and Trello. Develop automation workflows for each client. The great thing is once you build a good workflow for a client once, you can implement the same one for other clients in the same niche. So you have the template, you have what works, you just duplicate it for a different client in the same niche, in the same industry. Maybe you have to tweak a few things, but for the most part, the work is done already. You just educate clients and their teams on how to use these systems effectively. Offer coaching, offer training, offer to show them how to use it. And then you need to ensure that different tools and platforms seamlessly work together. Having one error between platforms and it'll cause the whole thing to break down. You'll lose data. You'll have a lot of processes that don't get started. It won't work and you'll get fired. And you also want to implement systems for efficient data storage as well. This is something that businesses overlook all the time. They never know where to find things. They never know how to retrieve things when they need it. Having efficient data storage is a huge help to most businesses. And then, once again, regularly review and optimize workflows and adjust them to where the company is at that point. Prioritize the security and privacy of automated systems. That's something that customers are going to ask you about. Don't use sketchy tools. Data is private and needs to be kept that way. And then, of course, create clear documentation for all processes and systems. This will not only help your client understand it, it'll help you remember why you set it up that way when you go to implement it for someone else. It'll save you time and it'll make everybody's life easier. And the thing is, in order to make any of these 3 business models work, you're obviously going to need some clients. I didn't go over that in detail in this video because I made a separate video where I explain in depth how you can get your first 5 clients in the next few days. So click on the video you see on your screen right now. That's the only key that you're missing at the moment to make this work. Quit your 9-to-5, become financially free, you can live the life that you and your family have always dreamed of. I'll see you in the next one.